Hello, this tutorial is going to be about how to add a logo to the popular brands. So this is the manufacturer logo that we're going to work with. The first thing that you're going to need to know is the ID associated with the manufacturer. So if we go back here to the back end of the website, we'll go to Virtumart Home. And then from there, you're going to see all the menu and go all the way down to manufacturer, okay? And then list manufacturers. From here, we'll see the ID number of the manufacturer. So this one's 19, this one's 18, and so on. I'm going to go down and be working with Steve Madden. Now, for some reason, there's two Steve Madden and Steven, which both have the same logo. Actually confused me on the last tutorial. But you can see here there's one Steve Madden logo here, and then this is actually the one that we're working with, which you can see in the URL at the bottom of my screen. It says Steven Madden, and this one says Steven. So you should only have one. You should delete the other. Okay? So I see that this is ID number 2 for Steven or Steve Madden. It's number 2. So all I'm going to do is remember that number, and what I would do is I would name the image. Okay, let me open up something here. Tutorial photos. So okay, you can see here that Steve Madden, the logo, is 2.jpg. Make sure it's all lowercase like that. Not sure if it'll work otherwise. So 2.jpg, and you can see it's the logo. So we're going to cheat since you guys don't have an FTP program. Normally, I'll just edit with an FTP like this, where I can go in directly to the file. I doubt you guys want to learn how to use an FTP, not that it's difficult. So you're going to go to Content, and we're going to basically pretend like we're adding an article, just so we can upload something. So we go to Content, Article Manager. Now I'm just going to create New. Okay, and the only reason we're doing all of that is just to upload an image. Okay, so you don't need to put anything here. Just go to Upload. Okay, so here are the manufacturer logos. If you don't see it, you'll see here the root. You're just going to go down to manufacturers. That easy. If you're in another folder, again, you're going to see other stuff. Again, just go down to manufacturers. Easy. You see all the numbers. So I need to upload an image. So I click the upload, that was over here, and you drop the file. That easy. So I take my file, Steve Madden, drop it in here. See 2.jpg. I'm going to upload. There it is. So it's already done. I can just close this and just cancel. Okay, the image is already on the server at this point. So then when we go to the front end of the website, again, this is the one we're looking at. You're going to see two of them. So I'm going to refresh the page, and it uploaded or automatically created the other image. Okay, so one thing I want you to know, just in case you're working on this for some reason and need to update an image, you'll see that it creates another image. We had 2, that's when we upload, but now it has 2_88 by 88. Okay, that's the image that's actually using. So if you do need to delete a manufacturer logo, make sure you delete both of these. Okay, because you see the original image was 300 pixels. Okay, so it's a good system, it's easy to use, and that's it.